Good morning and Jai Hind everyone. So in the previous class we started for loop. So today also we'll continue for loop using in membership operator with for loop. Consider the following example. Let us see an example. So this is the example. The following steps are involved in the execution of the for statement. Step 1. The in operator will first check if there is a value in the list. If yes, then in operator will return the value true. If the value returned by the in operator is true, then the loop control variable I will be assigned a value from the sequence. Step 2. The print statement will print the value assigned to the variable I. Every time the in operator returns true, a new value will be assigned to the variable I and it will be printed. This process of printing values will continue until the last value in the sequence is used. The loop will terminate after printing the last value. The range function. The range function is used with for loop in Python, is helpful in generating a sequence of numbers in the form of a list. For example, range 10 will generate numbers from 0 to 9, 10 numbers. So this is the syntax. Here the initial value is an integer specifying at which position to start, while the final value specifies the end. And the step value specifies either increment or decrement at each step to reach the final value. While using the range function, the final value is always 1 less than the last value in the given sequence. The use of the range function can be understood by the following example. So let us see a program. In the above code, the initial value of the variable is 10 and the final value is 19. So 20 minus 1 becomes 19. Each time the loop executes, the value of I is incremented by 1. So the final sequence will be 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. Now the variable I, which in this case 10, will be checked with this range. As 10 is present in the given range, so the output of the program